Helen Allan. I work for Domino's Pizza Group UK and Ireland, and I'm head of technical. My main responsibility is brand due diligence, food safety defence across our manufacturing, storage, distribution, supplier assurance and stores. We've got a very diverse supply base, supplying ingredients for our dough manufacturing through to those doing ready-to-eat toppings, sides and desserts. We worked very much in silos across multi-sites, and we needed one source data solution for our teams instead of using lots of local spreadsheets. Previously, we used a lot of Excel data sheets that were managed by individuals, not one source of information, and we also part used Quadex, but we didn't have all of our suppliers on that system. Trade Interchange provided a solution for our technical documentation and a source for managing that data, but was also a system we could use working with our procurement colleagues and managing their contracts and product and supplier information. The main pain point was with having a robust supplier approval database and being able to manage that supplier data and have a fully auditable system. It's massively simplified the management of supplier approval documentation and put it in one searchable database. We're more confident that the information we have is accurate and real time, and that we have one source of data that's fully searchable, and it has massively sped up the supplier approval process. We use ARCUS to manage our supply base as a team, using it as our main source of communication for our processes and systems. For example, we use it to publish our supplier codes of practice and technical manuals. ARCUS has massively changed the way we work in Domino's in the UK, and we'll look at further opportunities in the future to be able to integrate our international businesses into the ways we work in.